You may be quite familiar with the image of flocks of chickens cramped in small cages, but today, this huge farm will introduce to a completely different farming model. This is a free-range chicken model, where the chickens are uniquely bred and raised in an open environment close to nature. With this type of farming model, millions of delicious eggs are produced each year, along with chicken meat that offers a higher quality and better flavor compared to traditional farming methods. Join us in exploring this unique farm, from free-range farming to egg collection and the chicken processing industry. Unlike the closed industrial farming model, people in France and many European countries choose to raise chicken in open environments. By making the most of their available land, farmers here built farms that house between 8,000 and 20,000 chickens. Before starting the incubation process, farmers spread a layer of clean straw under the trays or floor to provide cushioning and retain warmth for the eggs. Fertilized eggs, carefully selected to be clean and spotless, are then placed into an automatic egg sorting system. This machine uses a vacuum suction mechanism to gently lift egg and place it into the incubation tray with precision and consistency. On average, each incubation batch can hold between 5,000 and 20,000 eggs, depending on the farm's scale and the type of incubator used. The incubation period lasts about 21 days, during which temperature and humidity must be strictly maintained at around 37.58 degrees Celsius. After hatching, workers sort the chicks by gender, either by examining their genitalic or wing feathers, and separate the males and females into appropriate pens. The chicks are then moved to a clean, well-ventilated environment, with stable temperature and suitable natural light to ensure their health and early development. Their food is grown and harvested by the farmers themselves right on the farm, ensuring it's completely natural and free from chemicals. The chickens mainly eat corn, wheat, soybeans, and green vegetables, with occasional supplements of minerals and herbs to boost their immunity. Chickens in the free-range model are housed in specially designed shelters that allow them to roam outside in search of natural food, like insects, young grass, and seeds. However, free-ranging also comes with several challenges in terms of biosecurity management. Laying hens can easily come into contact with wild animals, such as birds and mice, which may carry harmful pathogens. With this farming model, each farm can produce tens of thousands of eggs per day. The coops are smartly designed with sloped surfaces and automatic conveyor belts, allowing freshly laid eggs to gently roll to a collection point, minimizing impact and the risk of damage. After being transferred to the collection area, the eggs are sent through an automatic watching system. Modern machinery ensure the eggshells are gently cleaned without cracking, while thoroughly removing dirt and bacteria. The eggs are dried, inspected for quality, and moved onto the packaging line. Here, the production date is printed directly on the eggshell to ensure traceability. Finally, the eggs are packed into specially designed trays, with proper cushioning and shape retention to provide maximum protection during transport and storage. Following the farming and harvesting process, all operations at the chicken processing plant are carried out in a closed system, ensuring the highest standards of food hygiene and safety. The chickens are hung on automatic hooks and dipped into hot water to soften their skin, making the feather removal process easier. The chickens are seamlessly transported through different sections via a modern conveyor system, ensuring continuity and efficiency throughout the process. Chicken feet are typically processed separately. Automated cutters are designed to quickly and uniformly remove them. Once cut, the feet are transferred to a separate conveyor or area for cleaning and packaging, as they are considered a high-value product. To facilitate hygiene and efficient removal of internal organs, the chickens pass through machines designed to cut off the crop and vent. These machines typically use sharp blades, controlled with precision to perform the task without damaging other parts of the chicken. The evisceration machines are equipped with robotic arms or specialized hooks, designed to match the shape and size of the chicken's abdominal cavity. These arms carefully open the cavity and gently extract the entire internal organ mass. Depending on market and consumer demand, the chickens may be packaged whole or cut into convenient portions. Eggs from free-range chickens are not only rich in nutrients, but also a familiar ingredient in many delicious everyday dishes, such as boiled eggs, sunny-side-up eggs, or egg tarts. Through the free-range chicken farming model, we not only witness nutritional value, but also feel the respect for nature and the move towards sustainable agriculture. Thanks for watching. See you again on our next journeys.